Hi, how's everybody doing today? I just wanted to get on here real quick and talk to you guys about the Done For You services. Um, I got my first sales this past week, got 6 sales using the Done For You services thanks to Wesley. Big shout out to him and to his team. They are absolutely fantastic. I don't know what I would have done if I had not signed up for that program. Definitely not a computer person or familiar at all with affiliate marketing. Would not even have known where to start. Clueless when it comes to what pixels are, how to even set up an ad, or where to even start when it comes to Facebook and placing things. Wouldn't even have known what to do. Great program. They are the best. Available 24/7. You can reach out to them, talk to them. They respond quickly. They have a great group just with the other members alone. Great MIT family. Love you guys. Um, and the the meditation that they teach you, the other trainings that are available, the readings are fantastic as well. Change your mind frame altogether just to get you to see things differently. That has been phenomenal. Um, I mean, even my children have been hearing it and following along with me. And sometimes if I start to get upset over something, they'll stop me and catch me and tell me, Mom, take a breath now, close your eyes, because I've been playing the training so much. And it's just great to see that even they are listening into these things and following along and catching on to them. And it's all thanks to Wesley. So it's not only helping me, it's helping my family as well. So Done For You Services is a great service. If you haven't signed up for it already, I highly recommend that you do. You definitely will not regret it. So many blessings to everybody and hope to see you guys in our group soon. Thanks so much.